Alright guys, and welcome to the video, and in this video I am going to be teaching you about args and kwargs. So perhaps you might be wondering what is args and kwargs. You have seen this in a lot of videos, but I'm going to explain you this in a very easy and a layman terms. So let's get started. So let me define a function known as my underscore func, right, which is going to take a name and it's going to just print name. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call the function. I'm gonna say it's very simple right now, and now I'm gonna modify this for the args. So if I run this, of course you expect to see my name on the screen. Now what is args? So if I just give 1 star, right, and let's see what it happens. So if I run this, so when you give 1 star, that is nothing but args. What it does is basically convert your parameters into a tuple. So remember that. Now let us see us kwargs in action. And so if I just do double stars, and instead of this, if I say name sawmill, sure, right? So now if I run this, here you can see, remember, now what kwargs does is basically it converts your key, and it converts into a dictionary. Basically it's a key and value. So this would be converted into a key, and this is the value. My last is a key and this is a value. So that's what kwarg does. Now let us see all of that in action, right? All the three args, kwargs, and the normal parameter. So I'm gonna say params, which is my normal parameters. Now I'm gonna show you args name, right? Just wanna show you that, and of course kwargs name, right? What I'm gonna do is basically just trying to print all of that. So params, remember, args name and kwargs name, right? So simple. Now if I try to call this function, that is my func, I'm gonna say my name sawmill. I'm gonna pass as Python because I love Python. Then I'm gonna say basically computer equals to computer equals to Mac, right, which is not defined right now on my on my function. So I'll show you what it does basically. And basically let's say mood equals to happy. Alright, simple. Now what do you expect would be printed? Now look at this. So whatever your first parameters was your parameter, right? From there onwards, whatever your second parameter was, that was a Python, it got converted into a tuple. Here you see. And whenever you supply any name value pair like this, like computer, Mac, mood, happy, although it's not defined in your function, it will convert that into a dictionary. So this is a simple explanation of args kwarg. Have questions, post them in the comment section below, and I shall try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, thank you for support, and if you're new to my channel, please support me by liking this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you guys next time. Goodbye.